What's up, guys? I'm back with a video today, and I bet you're wondering why I didn't do this already. It's because, it's because I already have some in one of the big moments thing where you need 10 of them, and I don't really want to get all of them to go in there. Because I have only 3 in there, I think. And if I get those 2, I will have them, and then I'll have 2 more, and then if I do another one, I'll have nowhere to put that other one. I don't really, for some reason, my Eric Bledsoe has become a lot good, so I decided not to trade him in, like I did my Kyle Lowry I had. Big moments. You didn't see him, I don't think. Okay, so oh, you turn on the volume, boy. What? Okay, so I am going to do a gameplay with my Magic Johnson. That's what I was gonna do. And still, he's looking good. Let me go to my team. Whoa! My battery's dying. Very sad, Horford I got last video. Okay, so in my description in my last video, I put, not the NASCAR video, the other video. In the description, half game video, I put in the description, sorry, the delay on the videos. That means sorry for the uploads haven't been coming soon. What I meant. So, let me just do a gameplay of the Magic Johnson. Ooh, the Paul George shooting guard one. I want to pick them lineups. I can't pick any of them. Oh, my battery. Dang it. Should I turn on my battery saver? Yeah, I will. Turn on. Whoa. Okay, I don't know what I did. Okay, I'm back. Okay, my battery saver's on. Where is it? No, it's not. How? I don't get it. Oh. Who cares? We'll make it in time. Magic Johnson in the gameplay. We're gonna try and get him all the baskets here. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and get him all the baskets. Block it. Oh, Magic Johnson, you gotta play D. Westbrook. No, don't pass it to him. Get into my Magic Johnson. Good. That's good. Okay, first shot. Okay. 10 million. No, where's Magic? Block it. Magic Johnson gonna drive. Magic Johnson gonna drive. He going in. That fadeaway in the post. Wow. That fadeaway in the post. Oh, Chris Paul. Get him. Yes. Oh. You're going out there. Anthony Davis. Oh, whoops. Oh, I didn't know it was just, I was talking Magic Johnson, but Magic, I don't think it's open, so, a little mistake. Excuse me. Yup. Nah. Nice rebound. How did he get all the way over there? Is he fast? I don't know what his speed is, I forgot. Put him up! Put it up, put it up. That's easy for him. It's easy. You can't leave him wide open like that. For a power forward, Magic Johnson, which is odd. Magic Johnson just getting all the rebounds. Look at that. Easy. 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 Slam in. Squeezy. No, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, this ball. He's hard. He's hard to beat. But oh, yes! Yes! Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, let's put it up. Buzzer beater. Oh. Okay, so we got a good lead. No play. One more head-to-head game. And hopefully this video will be done. Okay. Ooh, Ben Beast 305. Okay, let me verse him. Oh my gosh, small ball. Quite. Oh, we're done. We're done, boy. I don't think we're gonna win this quarter. But I believe in you, Magic. Okay, this time I'm not gonna try and get Magic Johnson all the baskets. I'm gonna at least get. Oh, I'm gonna actually try to. Because it wouldn't be a gameplay if someone else was shooting the ball. I can't tell me to do this, that's my fault. So it wouldn't be gameplay if someone else was shooting the ball. So I'm just gonna shoot them all with Magic. Magic! Oh, why did I shoot that? Oh, I thought he was gonna go in. Oh, nice rebound. What is that? Magic. For 2. Was that 3? Oh, it's 2. I thought, yeah, it's 2. Oh, play defense! Hey! That's his Russell Westbrook. You got the same Russell as me. At least my Russell can play. Good. Get the ball. Sean Marion, what the heck are you doing? Can't play on defense or something? Anthony! Oh, nice rebound! Is this lagging? I think it is a little bit. Get it to Magic Johnson! And for the feed. Feed the Westbrook. Give me that feed. Look at that money. Look at that money. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Come on. Where are you? Kicks it over. Oh, no, that's busting nothing. Go out. That's good. So 8 minutes into the video. And I'll have to end this video after this. Okay, Magic Johnson coming up. Go, 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 go. Oh, that's not. Oh, we want to throw it up. Who are you throwing at you? Get the ball. Good ball. Good ball. Our ball, good. Goody. Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay, this Magic Johnson is beast. My whole team is beast. Oh, jeez. Now we're gonna have to get a miracle shot to just that. Oh! Hopefully they get it off and miss, but we get the ball. Hopefully they get it off and we miss, and then we get the rebound and we make it. Klay Thompson. Miss. Miss. What? Okay, I didn't have to shoot this with Westbrook. Puts it up. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I knew I was going to lose that corner. That wasn't good. Ugh. I got something in my eye. Okay, +3 fans. That's all. Keep burping. Excuse me. We got 2 Ravels. I'm gonna nudge. Okay, for some reason, you ready? So, you know there's. Oh. Damn releasing there. Oh, never mind. Okay, I don't know why. But no. What do I get? Oh, I thought that was an elite. Going in the premium pack. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I just caught that. Oh, what did I get here? Oh, dang it, those aren't worth anything. I don't know what happened to all my good options. Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video today. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.